Okay, it's time. Red sauce is ready. Sugu, gravy, right? Marinara, it's all ready. And now we have some penne that I cooked, okay? Penne rigate, okay? And some Romano cheese that's gonna go on top. And then some vermicelli. I just wanted to show you how we're doing it. And we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of our sauce on top. Then we're gonna sprinkle some Romano and a little bit of basil that we went ahead and chopped up, okay? So here we go. And we're gonna stir it up. Oh, doesn't that look good, you guys? And look at the chunks I was talking about. This is the chunks I was talking about, man. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. It's just beautiful. How do you go wrong here, man? How do you go wrong with that? We'll put another chunk there. I like to do that. And then we'll come over here and we'll get some more chunks here. I love that. And we'll go ahead and put it just like so. Okay. And you're gonna love this. Look at this. There's a chunk there. I'm gonna love the chunk. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that great? Isn't that gorgeous? Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a little Romano. Okay. Okay. Be generous. Be generous. Okay, just like so. And we'll do this same here. Okay, just like so. Okay, very nice. And then we'll use a little Basilico, they call it in Sicilian. Basil. Okay, we'll hit this pickle on top. Look at that. Can't go wrong there. And then just for fufu's sake, I'm gonna do this. Just like downtown, huh, folks? Just like downtown. And then we'll go ahead and put this right on top. Look at that. Okay, and there you have it. Salute from Vitos Italian Cucina. Sunday sauce with Vito. Take a look at the recipe. I think it's delicious. You know, and if you want to adjust the sweetness or whatever, or the pepper, you judge it, okay? Anyway, ciao for now. Arrivederci. Ciao.
Trying your pasta, Vito. Mom, can you make this every night?
Vito, he loves it!